Hello guys, this is MinhyeokChoi3rdL3 third grade lesson 3. Let's get started. Write the number in order from greatest to least. Okay, so number 1, we have three numbers. We have 7,837, 5,126, 3,543. Okay, so let's do the thousands because all three numbers are in the thousands. So if you're looking at the thousands, the first number is 7,000, second number is 5,000, and third number is 3,000. And we know that 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5, and 5 is greater than 3, so they are already in order. Number 2, let's look at if they are all in the thousands. So 4-digit, 4-digit, and also 4-digit. So let's look at the thousands, and everything is in the twos. So let's move on to the hundreds, and we have 7, 7, and 7. Oh, it's getting pretty close. So let's move into the tens. So we have 9 here, we have 2 here, and we have a 5 here. So we know that 9 is the greatest, and 2 is the least, and 5 is the lowest. So this would be 2793 and 2756 and 2728. Number 3. So we have 32,603 and 28,897 and 90,050. Let's look at the tens, 10,000s. We have 3, we have 2, and 9 is the greatest. 3 is the next, and 2 is the least. Okay, so we have 17,655, 22,600, 9,860. So first of all, we know that 9,860 is the least because it only has 4 digits while everything else has 5. So 9,860 will go here. And let's look at it. In the 10,000s, we have 1 and we have 2. So from here, we already know that the 22,600 is greater. Okay, number 5. We have, let's just make sure everything is the same digits. So we could see that all three numbers are in the same digits. So let's compare 4, 5, and 5. We already know that the 4 is the least. So let's cross that one out. And we have 1 and we have 0. And we know that 1 is greater. Last one. This 111,000, 109,000, 119,000. So let's look at it. 100 is the same. 100, 100, 10. This one's 0 and this one's 10. So we know that the 10 is going over here. So let's cross this one out. And we have a 0 on this side and we have a 9 on this side. So we know that the 119 is greater than 110. Okay, let's move on. Compare the number right less than, greater than, or equal to for each blanks. Okay, so 6, 6, 2, 3, and 3 is greater. 5, 5, 7, 4, 7 is greater. This sign just means that whatever is bigger, this side is bigger. So if it was like this, whatever is here would be bigger. Whatever here would be bigger. And we have 1, 1, 0, 0, 4, 0. 4 is greater. 7 and 8, 8 is greater. 81, 81, they are the same. 9 and 7, 9 is greater. 9, 9, 1, 1, and 2, 2. You would probably think it'd be here. However, this is just 91 and this is 912. So it would be this way. 100 and 200, 200 is greater. And that was the last question. Let's move on. Round to the nearest 10. Okay, so what the nearest 10 means, if you have a number here and a number here, let's just say it's 10. Whatever number is on here, on the 1 spot, we round it up to the 10 spot. So for example, if I had a 4, it would round it down because it is less than 5. So this number would become 10. Number 1, we have 16. This is the 1 spot. Oh, I forgot to mention that if a number is greater than or equal to 5, you round up, but if it's less than 5, you round down. And 6 is greater than 5, so we round up 1, so that would be 20. 4 rounds down, so it would stay at 30. 4 rounds down again, so this would stay at 50. 73, 3 would round down, so it would stay at 70. 9 would round up, so this would become 90. 6 rounds up also, so that's a +1 over there, so it becomes 20. 5 would round up, so this would become 10. 1, it would not round up, it would round down, so this would stay at 90. Word problems. Sarah has 46 marbles. She wants to know approximately how many marbles she has if she rounds the number to the nearest 10. How many marbles does Sarah have when rounded to the nearest 10? So 46, same thing we just did. We take the ones and we round it up or down. And 6 is greater than 5, so we are going to round up, which we are left with 50. Number 2. Emily has 57 candies and Jake has 62 candies. Who has more candies? Use the symbols less than, greater than, or equal to compare their amounts. So we have 57 and we have 62. Let's compare the tens. We have 5 and we have 6. 6 is greater, so Jake has more. Number 3, 4 friends collected seashells. Ava collected 43, Ben collected 58, Chloe collected 36, and David collected 49. Arrange the numbers from the greatest to the least amount of seashells. So we have 43, we have 58, we have 36, and we have 49. Let's compare the 10 spot. We have 4, 5, 3, 4, and 5 would be the greatest, so it would come in the front, 58, and then it would go 4 and 4, because 3 would be the least, so let's just put it at the end. And let's look at 3 and 9, and 9 is greater, so this would be 49 here and 43 over here. Tim scored 83 points in a game. What is his score rounded to the nearest 10? Same thing, rounding 3. Let's take the 3. And is it greater than 5 or equal to 5 or less than 5? It is less than 5, so it is gonna stay at 80. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.